Alrighty kiddos, in this video lesson you're going to learn how to draw a 2-point perspective chair. So what you'll need is one sheet of grid paper, and let me turn off this stuff, and you're going to need to draw a horizon line. Make sure your horizon line, that's too thick, that's way too thick. Let's try a nice thin horizon line. I gotta figure this out, hold on. There we go, horizon line, okay? Mark off your 2 points. There are 2 vanishing points in the 2-point perspective drawing. And what you're gonna do then is somewhere near the middle of the paper, draw a nice solid vertical line. And then connect the top and bottom to your VPs on either side. Use a ruler to make sure these are nice and straight. And with construction lines, you're going to go ahead and just mark off some vertical lines like you see here. Okay? And those vertical lines are going to be used to determine, how big chair legs are and how big other parts of the chair are. Okay, so just like that. Okay, and then we're going to connect the VP to the top of this line, but go past it, just like that. All right, now we can start drawing some object lines. So I'm going to draw an object line here along that vanishing point line, an object line here along that vertical line. I'm then going to draw a vanishing point line from here to here and connecting from that same intersection to this vanishing point, just like that. Okay, and then I'll use that middle line for object lines, and this line for object lines. You'll see the chair start popping out of the page once you start outlining in thicker pencil lines. Okay, so I'm starting to see some other parts that need more vanishing point lines, so like this corner right here and this corner right here. So from the left corner, connect to that VP line, and from this corner, connect to this VP line. And then again, let's mark off some vertical lines. I want that a little thicker right there. Yep, mark off vertical lines. And then we can draw our object lines. Okay, this is a little off, so let me try that again. All right, now the back of the chair is from this point up. That's a vertical line. And I'm going to use some more construction lines to connect to the VPs. And I'm going to figure out how tall this chair is actually going to be. So right here, we see this intersection of vanishing points. So I'm going to draw a vertical line straight up. And then from this corner right here, I'm going to draw a vanishing point line connecting to that VP. And you should be able to kind of see the chair popping out of here. I'm going to draw another vertical line from there to there. And what else am I going to do? I'm going to connect this intersection to this VP. That didn't straighten out. I want that straight. So you want a nice straight line. All right, now we can start outlining the chair. So it's a very boxy chair. Yep, just like that. Okay, and you can connect these two sections here, just like that. All right, and then if the light source was, glowing in that direction, that means that the left sides of this would get some shading. So you want to shade the left side like so, and the inside right here, and just like really lightly right here, and really lightly on the front. Yeah, so there's a 2-point perspective chair, and what you need to do next is, once you've drawn one, fit another somewhere in this area. So you're going to draw another chair here using the same exact skill, same technique. It's going to be smaller, it's going to look different from a different angle, and everything is going to be a little bit more challenging because I'm not going to show you how to do that, but you got to apply the skills you just learned in this video to draw a chair in this section here. Okay, so if you haven't already done so, get started on this drawing. You'll need grid paper, and good luck.